So, when you think about innovation in India, where does your mind go? I'm guessing it jumps straight to Bengaluru, the country's tech capital. But today, we're going to look beyond all the code and the circuits to explore a completely different kind of revolution, a more human-centric one that's taking root in that very same city. Yeah, we all know Bengaluru as India's top technology hub, the Silicon Valley of the East. But honestly, that's only half the story. There's an equally powerful transformation happening, and this one isn't focused on machines, but on people. You see, what's happening is that Bengaluru is quietly making a name for itself as a dual hub. It's a powerhouse for technology, for sure, but also for something, well, a lot more fundamental. That's right. Alongside all of its technological leaps, Bengaluru has become this amazing, thriving center for human innovation. This is the new frontier, right? It's where the strategies for managing, developing, and inspiring the workforce of tomorrow are being built from the ground up. So what's the engine driving this whole human-centric movement? What community is right there at the center of this transformation? Well, let's find out. The answer, it turns out, lies with a group that has truly become the very heart of human resources in the city, the NHRDN Bengaluru Chapter. Now, NHRDN stands for the National Human Resource Development Network, and the Bengaluru Chapter is a community with a laser-like focus to push HR best practices forward and to actively build the framework for the future of work. Their core mission is both simple and incredibly powerful. It's all about bringing professionals together, fostering real collaboration, and creating a space where powerful ideas can be shared freely to drive meaningful change across the entire industry. A great mission is one thing, but actually putting it into practice, that's something else entirely. So how exactly does the chapter turn these big ambitions into reality? Well, they've basically built an entire ecosystem of platforms designed for growth. We're talking everything from huge, large-scale conferences that set the industry agenda to really intimate workshops and mentorship programs. They even do deep dive research and get involved in high-level policy dialogues. It's a really comprehensive approach to lifting up the entire profession. And their process for making an impact is just so clear. It all starts by identifying the really crucial causes, things like leadership development or D&I. From there, they build the platforms, the workshops, the mentorship opportunities, you name it, to address those causes directly. And the end result? A community of HR professionals who are empowered to stay way ahead of the curve in a workplace that's changing faster than ever. And this right here perfectly illustrates one of their most vital roles. They basically act as a bridge. They take these cutting-edge global HR theories and trends, and they don't just present them, they translate them. They make sure these big ideas can be practically and effectively applied right there in the local Bengaluru context. And believe me, this is no closed club. They've built a truly connected ecosystem, bringing corporate leaders, disruptive startups, and top academic minds all to the same table. It's this cross-pollination of ideas that makes the city's entire HR landscape so rich. So when you put all of these pieces together, the mission, the platforms, the community, you start to realize this is about way more than just organizing events.
The crucial point is this: it's not just about a series of programs. It really is about building a genuine movement, one with the clear goal of elevating the HR profession so it becomes a strategic driver of business success.
The takeaway here is pretty undeniable. If you want a window into how human resources is shaping the future of organizations across India, you really don't need to look any further. The Bengaluru chapter is the benchmark. It's a living, breathing case study of innovation in action. And all of this brings us to the future. Because this isn't just a story about one organization. It's about what's coming next, and our role in shaping it. You see, the conversations, the initiatives, and the connections being made by communities like the NHRDN Bengaluru Chapter, they're shaping the future of work in real time. It's happening right now. And that leaves us with one final powerful question to think about. This transformation is happening with or without us. So the only question that really matters is, how will you be a part of it?